Okay, welcome to task 2, how to make this basic button into a rollover button. So as you can see, you've already got a button here which says black bin on it. You can move the rectangular bit object around to cover the canvas. Okay, what you need to do here is come over to the section here on the left called web, and this tool here called the slice tool. If you press that down and select slice tool, your mouse becomes a cross. Draw with your mouse a slice around the whole of the rectangular button so it goes green, and in the middle there's a circle. If you right click on that circle, you get this drop down menu. Just click on add simple rollover behavior. Just click that once. That's made it into a rollover button. Now what you need to do is come over to the right hand side, and where it says pages, states and layers, make sure you've got states selected. The first state here is 01 state 1. If you right click on that and select duplicate state and then click OK here, you have now two states. You've got state 1 and state 2. Make sure you're on state 2. Come back over to the left hand side to the web section, and there's a tool here that says hide slices. So if you click on that, that now hides the green slice here. Okay, you can't see it. And where what you now need to do is make sure you use the pointer tool to actually select the rectangular object here. So it's got the little blue dots in the corner. Come back down to the right hand side where it says styles. It should still say web button styles. If it doesn't, from current document, you can see it says that there. And if you scroll up to the green section where the green buttons are green, you can select web button style 473, that one there. So if you press that down, your button's now turned green. What you can do is select the text object with your pointer tool, highlight all that text there with your mouse, and change down here the font color from white to black. And as you can see, if you go back to the pointer tool, you've now got black bin in black font. Okay, if you can just increase the size of that to 55, okay, it's just gone a bit bigger, and that is basically your button. You've got two states, the first state, and if you hover your mouse over it, the second state. Okay, to test this works, go up to your file menu, come down to preview in browser, preview in iExplore.exe. This will open Internet Explorer. You can close that window there, and if you put your mouse over the button as though it was on a web page, it will change, and this is what a rollover button is. Okay, it will change to the second state. Okay, and that's how you do a rollover button.